we are on our way to 7-Eleven.
Again,
Hoping that
there will be ramen. There's a car!
ramen or hot water for the ramen that we bought at ICM.
So if there's no other choice, we just have to buy again.
Yeah, but we'll separate the ones we bought.
I need it alone.
Yeah. So we'll get back to you. Here you go, guys. We just put hot water already in our ramen. Ha ha ha. And we also bought milk in case it's too spicy. So we have the kimchi and the, what do you call this?
Shin Ramyun.
Shin ramyun. We're still waiting for it to be cooked, and we'll get back to you. So we are going to start the spicy ramen challenge. And by the way, we are here in 7-Eleven. Yeah. So I have the kimchi.
Wait, what's the name? I have the Shin and we already placed the straw in the milk just in case for emergency. And
You'll see our reactions while we eat. Oh my god. Okay, you first. Or we'll together. Okay, wait.
it's hot, very hot water. Why are you laughing? It's okay, but it's alang lang.
So spicy.
Spicy na?
Ito hindi ko pa nag-taste. So ano. My expectations were like maasim siya pero not much.
So how do we look?
So far everything is okay except for the langaw. I don't know why there is langaw.
When you were inside a cold place.
This is my third anong tawag dito?
What?
Dahil sa donut yun, guys. Ano?
Craving.
Third subo.
It's good so far.
Actually, I already actually tasted this one, and it's spicy.
And she gave it to me.
No, I just wanna compare. And we'll exchange
In a while.
noodles
Halfway. What if there's no more noodle?
So we will now be exchanging.
I'm having colds.
We're halfway through na. Mas naunang sinipon si Ate Jom.
We'll see.
We'll see the difference.
Come on. It's the same, dude.
Game.
No. Hindi panda.
Mas ganito yung noodles. Sabaw mo sa una kasi ko eh. Mas maluto yung noodles mo ba?
How is your lasa? It tastes different.
I heard seafood yung dating diba? It is like spicy lang talaga with vegetables yung dating. I got that one. More on vegetables.
And based on the picture, it's really spicy. It's very really. And there's Bisaya terms it's like
Pero parang mas feeling yung kimchi.
Alam mo nga sa spoon.
Pero mas maanghang. The shin is spicier than the kimchi. Kasi it has this after effect na it sticks to your tongue. Ang spicy niya. That makes it more spicier kada sugat. No? Diba siya? May hint lang kasi may spice lang siya. But not much. Not much of that. You want this back? No. We're getting better. We're already speaking Bisaya. Usually you speak English. You have to speak Bisaya because it's really spicy. You have to express very well. Hindi ka kayanin pag English kami ng English, baka lalo kami mag-nosebleed. Although we don't really have nosebleed. Try. Feeling lang. Hey guys! That's what she's doing. That's what she usually do. She's like, okay guys, hey guys, so actually, she's not gonna talk anymore. So finally, we finished the ramen and we both switched it already. And
I'm having colds.
And final comments are the Shin ramen is spicier than the kimchi, of course.
Yeah.
Then
The kimchi has kimchi.
the kimchi has kimchi, of course, and it has a little bit of corn and a little bit of sweetness at the same time with a seafood hint.
Yes.
Seafood hint. While the Shin ramen is actually gourmet spicy nakalagay sa cup, and it's more on like vegetables tapos maanghang.
Because it has actually three things. The red one. What do you call that one?
Yun, mas maanghang yung Shin. And I'll be trying other types of spicy ramens. Well, we are now
Craving for other stuff.
for food and we don't know where to eat. And it's
Can you
like
choose?
we're gonna eat. Mag-gym pa naman ako mamaya. Oh my god. Don't go there. No.
Body
I'm still gonna be fat. I'm really going to be fat. If Ate Jam is around.
She always wants to come.
Okay na naman, bawi naman ang gym.
I guess
we'll
we'll be
get
going around somewhere in a while.
Yeah. We are now on our way to Payag. Again, the original Payag. And we'll get back to you when we are here. Hey guys. So, guess where we are now? We are in Payag.
Hayag.
The original one.
That was awkward.
The original Payag. So here is the
Check the
interior. So yeah, that was the place. And we ordered, dahil nag-crave lang naman kami, we do not really, hindi talaga intention namin kumain talaga. But nag-crave kami after the ramen. So, we ordered chicken chicharon, which is my favorite by the way here. And 2 rice and some drinks. I had a bottled water because you know what guys, I'm on a diet even though I've been eating a lot because of Ate Jam.
And I'm also eating out because of that.
And yeah, so that is it. We'll get back to you with our food. Bye! So yeah, hindi na kami nakapag-video sa gutom namin. Bye! Please do subscribe.